Hi, hello, my loving people. Welcome to today's episode. తెలుగు వాళ్ళందరికీ నా నమస్కారం. అదే కదండి మన సంస్కారం.
Most of the people don't like to eat eggs. Egg is very good for health. If you know the health benefits and nutritional values of it, even those who don't like the egg will like to eat. So today I am going to prepare egg roast fry in different variation. Come on, let's get started. The required ingredients are 3 boiled eggs, cinnamon sticks and cloves, dry red chilies and cumin seeds, coriander powder, chopped tomato, sliced onions and green chilies, ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander, red chili powder, salt, turmeric powder and curry leaves. Take a frying pan and add required amount of oil. Once oil get heated, add turmeric powder, add ginger garlic paste, combine well. Once ginger garlic paste was get fried, add cloves and cinnamon sticks. Now add dry red chilies and cumin seeds. Now add sliced onions and green chilies. Combined well. Add curry leaves and combine well. Add required amount of salt, add required amount of red chili powder, add required amount of coriander powder and combined well. Now add chopped tomatoes. Mix it well. Fry it on a low flame. Now add boiled eggs and combine everything. Now add chopped coriander and switch off the flame. Now take a serving plate and transfer this curry into a serving plate. Finally, the egg fry was ready. You can enjoy this egg fry with rice and chapati pulka.